This is a video that is going out to anyone and everyone who feels this comparison around other people who look like they have their life together. You might be young, you just left school maybe, and now you think that you have to know what you're going to be doing for the rest of your life. Or maybe you're at this age where you're starting to question why you don't have your life together, why other people who are a similar age or who are a little bit older, who might be a little bit younger, and they have their life together. Whatever together means to you. Maybe you're comparing other people who have a job, while you might not have a job that fulfills you. Or maybe you're looking at other people who have a relationship and are married while you're still single. Or maybe right now you are comparing yourself to other people who have a house or who have all this money, and you're at a certain age where you feel like you should have money and you still haven't got your shit together, whatever that means. And I'm here to tell you that it is okay to be lost. I'm here to tell you that it is okay to not have everything together. That your life doesn't have to look like other people's life at the timing that they have their stuff together. Start to look at this like a blessing, because right now I know a lot of people where they have the job, they have the money, they have the marriage, they have the house, they have all these different things, but what they don't have is the number one thing, which is fulfillment. Right now you have the opportunity, if you were lost, to sit back and start to ponder about what is the thing that is going to make you fulfilled. And when you start to make that the outcome, maybe right now relationships aren't the thing for you. Maybe right now the thing that's going to make you fulfilled is going and traveling on a minimal wage or on a minimal income and just getting lost in the travel. Or maybe right now for you, what's going to make you fulfilled is studying a certain subject. But if you have the idea that you have to have your life together, you're going to chase the income when really you just want to travel, or really you just want to go and study a certain subject that truly makes you fulfilled. I was speaking to someone today, and I was speaking to a few people today, and one of them is at this age of 29, and I was mentioning to her that it is a tricky age because you're still young in society's idea of what young is, and then you're moving into this age of 30 where fear starts to creep in, and you don't have your life together, you're not doing that job, you don't have the income, you're not married, you don't have kids, you're not living up to society's norms, and fuck society's norms. What is going to be life on your terms? What is going to be the thing that makes you happy? And one of the things that I see a lot is that a lot of people feel this unfulfillment, and they don't actually take the time to go on YouTube and type in how to find your purpose in life, how to find a career that makes you happy. Or they're not asking themselves or this, what is truly going to make them happy. It's one thing to have a challenge and not do anything about it. It's a totally different thing to have a challenge, which is feeling this unfulfillment and taking the time to really go in and ask yourself powerful questions. Because just know that our mind is just like Google. You ask it a question, it has to answer. So let this be a reminder that to take a deep breath, to know that it's okay to not have the same life that Susie has a life in. To not have the same life that this person on Instagram who is flashing all these different things of traveling, of their marriage, of having their life together. It's okay for your life to not look like that. Quick story. I have been in multiple different careers, right? So here I started as working at Red Lead Chicken, which was interesting. I was like 15, 16 years old. And then I went to scaffolding. And then I went to what was after that? I went to being a delivery driver at an Indian restaurant, and then I went to washing dishes for a living, and then I went to studying my personal training course, and then I went to being a personal trainer, and then I went to, you know what, I think I really want to be a pastor. For those who don't know, I was super religious back in the days, right? And I thought that that was going to be my life purpose. I was going to be a pastor, and I was going to speak about God, because I was super religious. And then I started to find spirituality instead of religion. And then I wanted to be a speaker teaching entrepreneurs how to be healthy. Then I scratched that. Then I went back to being a personal trainer. Then after that, I went to working online as a personal trainer. And then I went from that, not feeling fulfilled there, then I went to being a business coach. And now I'm a business coach and then a life coach. And then I'm also doing retreats now. So just know that it is this journey. And just know that it is not about having one thing in life, that you can do multiple things in life. I really hope that this video has helped you out. I really hope that this has allowed you to be okay with being lost. And that acknowledging that you're lost actually creates a space for new answers to come in. Because if you're driving and you don't acknowledge that you're lost, right? You've probably seen this with dudes before. You're driving with a dude, or maybe you are a dude and your woman is next to you and you're driving along and she's like, do you know where you're going? And you're like, yes, I know where I'm going. But inside I have no fucking idea where I am right now. But it's not until you go, you know what? I have no idea where we are, that you create this space for the opportunity of her going, let's get the GPS out. Or let's ask someone on the street. So just acknowledge you're lost. Feel the feelings of being lost, knowing that it's totally okay. So I really hope this video has helped you out. I love every single one of you. Let me know if this video has helped you. And until I see you all in the next video, remember to love all living beings and most importantly, love thyself.